Hi viewers, welcome to YouTube channel Kanglaipak Study Support. Today's topics are some important terms used in metallurgy, minerals and ores, and division of ores. So, without wasting any time, let's begin the class. First of all, let us discuss some important terms used in metallurgy. Okay. The first important term is metallurgy. What is metallurgy? The process of obtaining a pure metal from one of its ore is known as metallurgy. Okay. Then, second one is mining. The process of taking out the ores from the earth crust is called mining. Okay, clear? Then, crushing. The ore obtained after mining is in the form of big lumps, which have to be broken into smaller pieces. This is known as crushing. Okay, let me explain you in Manipuri also. Aiko iyan hanbada metallurgy, metal sungdokpada changba sizinaba tam khara aiko nainadra yangsi ihan hanbada adudi metallurgy haibsi karino khangnaba honasi. Metallurgy haibadi metal dugi ore dagi pure metal onthokpagi process, pure metal da sungdokpagi process adubu aikoina metallurgy kawi. Mathangda mining haibasina karino hai taragadi earth ki crust dagi ore lokthokpagi thabak subu aikoina mining kawi. Mathangda crushing aduna crushing haibasi karino haina yengpa matamda mining tawduna earth ki crust dagi lokthorakliba ore sing adu big lumps oi aduna makoi se process tawgi hai taragadi metallurgy tawnabagi damakta process tawgi hai taragadi makoi se smaller pieces oina thugaiba ama changi. Asumna big lumps dagi smaller piece ta takhaiba thugaiba crush tawgi thabak adu boy koina crushing kawi. Next term is pulverization. The process of grinding the crushed ore into fine powder is called pulverization. Okay. Next is gangue or matrix. The unwanted earthy and silicious materials like sand, clay, rock, etc. associated with the ore is called gangue or matrix. Okay. Next is flux. Flux is a substance added during a reduction process to convert non-fusible gangue or matrix to an easily fusible material known as slag. So, this uses of flux can be represented in form of chemical equation. Flux is a substance, okay, which is used during the reduction process, okay, to convert non-fusible gangue or matrix into fusible substance, which is called slag, okay. That's why flux plus gangue, which is non-fusible, after combining flux with gangue, it becomes slag, which is fusible, okay. So clear. Some common examples of flux are silicon dioxide, okay, borax, calcium oxide, magnesium oxide, etc. These are some common examples of flux which are commonly used during the metallurgical process. Okay. So, let me explain you in Manipuri. Mathang asina pulverization. Pulverization haibadi ngasai crust tawkraba or small piece takraba or singdu amuk powder oina grinding tawbagi thabak aduboy koina pulverization kawi. Mathang dana gangue natraga matrix. Gangue natraga matrix haibsi karino hai taragadi aikoina mining tawraklaga lokthokliba earth ki crust dagi lokthokliba mining tawraga lokliba ore adu maduda sengdaba laikhom lainang earthy silicious material impurities mayama yawi hairiba ore duga loinana yawrakliba unwanted earthy silicious material kudam oina harabda sand, clay, rock na singbasing adu boy koina gangue natraga matrix kawi. Mathang asina flux haibsi karino. Flux haibsi substance amakhakni. Karamba substance no karamba matamda hapa haiba matamda metallurgy process tawba matamda reduction haidana process ama yawi hariba reduction process to the sizinaba adugumba substance amani karigi sizinai haiba matamda flux se masina ore duga loina na yaurak liba non-fusible mahi langtho yadaba gang natraga matrix sing ado madubu aikoina fusible material slag haina khangnaba sida onthok nanaba hapchanba substance do madubu aikoina flux kawi aduna flux ka aikoina non-fusible oiba gang natraga matrix to maduga punjinnarabadi reduction process sida madu fusible oiba slag haidana olai aduna fusible oirabani na gang natraga matrix to slag oina ordu dagi tongana khaidokkheba yani asumna ordu dagi tongana khaidoklagadi metal lagani yare ko aduna metallurgy da sizinaba common oiba flux kharadi kari no haiba matamda silicon dioxide borax calcium oxide magnesium oxide na singbasing maming panbe yai. Next is distinguish between minerals and ores. The natural substances in which the metals or their compounds occur in the earth are called minerals, and the minerals from which metals can be extracted profitably or economically or commercially are called ores. Okay, clear? All the ores are mineral, but all minerals are not ore. For example, both clay, which has chemical formula Al2O3, 2SiO2, 2 molecules of water, okay, and bauxite, which has also chemical formula Al2O3, 2 molecules of water, okay. These two substances, namely clay and bauxite, are minerals of aluminum because they contain aluminum in high amount. But aluminum is extracted from bauxite only. So bauxite is an ore of aluminum. Clear? Now, let me explain you in Manipuri also. Hugzik aikoi mineral amasung ore gi khanaba karino khangnaba honasi. Metal amasung makoye compound sing art ki crust phangiba natural substance sing asibu aikoina minerals kawi. Aduna minerals sing gi manungda amuk metal bu profitably economically amasung commercially sungdokpa yaba mineral singbu aikoina ore haina khangne. Aduna mineral khudingmak ore nate adubu ore khudingmakti mineral ni haibasi aikoina ningsingba yai. Khudam oina hairabda clay gi chemical formula si Al2O3, 2 molecules of silicon dioxide and 2 molecules of water. Aduga amana bauxite ki chemical formula na Al2O3, 2 molecules of water. Hairiba anisi arctic crust pangba natural substance ngaktani. Aduna anisi minerals ngaktani. Adubu aikoi aluminum chungdoke hai taragadi bauxite khaktingdagi chungtoi aduna bauxite haibasi mineral singi manungda amuk aluminum metal buk sungdokpa yarabanina bauxite haibasi ore oirani. Aduna bauxite si mineral suni ore suni aduga clay di mineral khaktani ore natte. Jantare ko? Next is mode of occurrence and division of ores. Ores may be divided into the following types. Okay, the first one is native ores. Metals like silver, gold, and platinum are found in free state in the earth crust. They are found usually associated with rock or alluvial minerals like clay and sand, etc. But certain metals are sometimes found as pure lumps, which are called nuggets. Okay. Second one is oxide ores. Some metals are found in the form of their oxides. For example, bauxite, okay, Al2O3, 2 molecules of water. Bauxite is an oxide ore of aluminum because it is in the form of oxide. Okay. Hematite, which has chemical formula Fe2O3, which is also oxide ore of iron. Zincite, having chemical formula ZnO, an oxide ore of zinc. Pyrolusite, having chemical formula MnO2. So, pyrolusite is an oxide ore of manganese. Okay. Corundum, having chemical formula Al2O3. It is an oxide ore of aluminum. Okay, these are some common examples of oxide ores. The third one is sulfide ores. Some metals are found in the form of their sulfides. These ores are called sulfide ores. Okay, so examples of sulfide ores are iron pyrite having chemical formula FeS2, galena PbS, copper pyrite CuFeS2, zinc blendy ZnS, cinnabar HZS, copper glen Cu2S, etc. These are all sulfide ores. Okay. The fourth one is carbonate ores. Some metals are found in the form of their carbonates. Such ores are called carbonate ores. For example, limestone, CaCO3, calcium carbonate. Okay, magnesite, magnesium carbonate, calamine, zinc carbonate, siderite, iron carbonate, etc. Okay, these are all carbonate ores. The fifth one, last one, is sulfate ores. Some metals are found in the form of their sulfates. Such ores are called sulfate ores. For example, Epsom salt, having chemical formula MgSO4, 7 molecules of water. Gypsum, CaSO4, 2 molecules of water. Anglesite, having chemical formula PbSO4, etc. These are all sulfate ores. Okay. For today, my class is over here. At the next class, we will meet with a new topic.